The night sky above Sriharikota was shining bright. It was December 30th, 2024. Everyone in the crowd was amazed. All eyes were glued to that spectacular sight. Spadex, the rocket that symbolizes India's big dreams and intelligence, soared into the sky. It was a historic moment. India's first mission to learn how to dock in space began. Carrying the hopes and dreams of a nation, the rocket climbed higher. It pierced through the clouds, leaving a trail of fire and smoke. This wasn't just a launch. It was a big announcement. India was ready to join other space explorers. The loud engines echoed the dreams of 1 billion people. Spadex was more than just a mission. It was a promise. When the launch was successful, everyone clapped and cheered. Years of hard work, dedication and careful planning led to that victory. Spadex was on its journey, carrying the hopes of a nation. India's journey into space had taken a giant leap. India has always been interested in space. Long ago, Indian astronomers studied the stars and mapped the sky. They made amazing discoveries that changed how we understand space. Today, that same curiosity drives India's space program. Since launching its first satellite, Aryabhata, in 1975, India has been pushing boundaries. The Chandrayaan missions proved that India could reach the moon. The Mars Orbiter mission, a shining example of India's smart and cost-effective engineering, amazed the world. Each mission was a stepping stone. These achievements paved the way for Spadex. This mission is a very important step. It shows India's strong commitment to improving space technology. Spadex shows the vision of our scientists and engineers. They dared to dream big and worked very hard to achieve their goals. Their dedication inspires children to reach for the stars. Imagine 2 spacecraft flying in space at thousands of kilometers per hour. Now, imagine them slowly coming together to connect perfectly. That is space docking, a delicate dance of technology and human skill. Spadex's goal was to perfect this complex maneuver. It involves 2 main parts, a chaser spacecraft and a target module. The chaser, equipped with advanced sensors and thrusters, has to approach the target with extreme precision. Imagine threading a needle in space while aiming at a moving target. That's how precise space docking needs to be. Even a small mistake can lead to a big disaster. Spadex's success relied on overcoming huge technical challenges. It required pinpoint accuracy controlled by complex computer programs and flawless performance from the spacecraft. Part 4. Building a Brighter Future, Spadex and Beyond. Spadex isn't just about achieving a technological milestone. It's about building a better future in space and on Earth. This mission brings great hope for future space exploration. Mastering space docking opens doors to exciting possibilities. It paves the way for building space stations, a dream of India. These stations can be used for scientific research, observing Earth, and even space tourism. Furthermore, space docking is crucial for constructing large structures in space. Imagine giant telescopes or solar power stations that can beam clean energy back to Earth. These aspirations might seem like science fiction today, but Spadex is bringing them closer to reality. The technologies developed for Spadex will also be useful on Earth. They can help improve disaster management systems, enhance communication networks, and advance medical technology. Part 5. Dreams Take Flight, the human face of Spadex. Behind the incredible technology and complex calculations are the people of Spadex. This mission represents the hard work of hundreds of scientists, engineers, technicians, and support staff. One such story is that of Anjali Sharma, a young engineer who spent years developing the docking system for Spadex. Growing up in a small village, she always loved the stars. Spadex became her way to reach for them. Then there's Ram Kumar, a farmer from a village in Maharashtra. He uses information from Indian satellites to monitor his crops and use water wisely. The advancements made by Spadex will directly benefit him, leading to better harvests and a better life. Spadex showcases the indomitable spirit of the Indian people. It shows their talent, determination, and ability to overcome any challenge. This mission is a beacon of hope, inspiring generations to pursue their dreams no matter how impossible they may seem. Part 6. India in Space, a beacon of progress and hope. India's space program is a symbol of progress and hope, not just for India but for the entire world. Some criticize India's space ambitions, questioning the cost and its relevance in a world with many problems. However, India's space program is not a luxury, it's a necessity. The technologies developed for space exploration have a ripple effect. They lead to innovations that benefit everyone. From telemedicine to disaster management, from weather forecasting to education, space technology touches the lives of millions every day. Moreover, India has always believed in working collaboratively with other nations in space. India has shared its knowledge and resources with other countries, especially developing nations aspiring to build their own space programs. Spadex demonstrates India's commitment to peaceful space exploration for the benefit of all. It is a mission that represents hope, progress and collaboration. As India reaches for the stars, it carries the dreams of 1 billion people, lighting the way to a brighter future.